Hi everyone. We all know how to do ABC XYZ classification that we have seen in our earlier videos. And we are now going to talk about one configuration within the ABC XYZ classification operator where it states that we can do the classification selecting particular groups. What I mean by that is the significance is that that suppose you have this set of SKUs for a particular category of products on which you want to run the ABC XYZ classification. So these are not the only products in your portfolio. You have multiple product categories, multiple products within those categories. But if you run the ABC XYZ classification, it will normally take all the products in your portfolio in consideration and identify your product, whether A or B or C, based on its percentage share over the entire set of products. So what I mean by that is that maybe within these 5 products, your product A and B may classify as a product. But then when you have other products which is in your portfolio, your this product, the volume of this product may not qualify for a classification. So sometimes what happens is that leadership wants this classification to only be applicable for a certain category or want to do this classification by the product categories. So there is a way to do it. In IBP, we have this option of choosing to use the grouping by which it will help us to do this classification or to run this classification using a particular grouping. So what do we do is that we can select this using group, and then we can select a particular attribute by which we want to categorize. So for example, these 5 products, I know they belong to one product group. If we see in the master data, we know that these products belong to the product group, this product group. So I want only these products to be classified within this product group, right? So my ABC code is this. So what I will do is that I will choose product group as the category by which we want to run the classification. So my threshold value is 50 for A, 30, the next 30 for B, and then rest 20 for C. So let us create this profile and we run the application job. So what we do is we go to the ABCC XYZ segmentation and run this application job and run it. We see that this job is finished. Now let's see in the master data if our ABC code has been populated for this product group. So let me refresh. So what we see is that these 2 products got classified as A. These next set of products are classified as B, and the last product is classified as C. So remember, this classification has happened only within this product group and not over the entire portfolio of products. So let's see that how it identified this as A, B, or C. So what we have over here is this is the last 9 months of data based on which I am running the classification. So this becomes um, 29% and 54%. So my A threshold is 50%. So these two products constitutes the top 50%. So that's why they are classified as A products, which we see in the master data, right? So the next set of product is um, my next set is the threshold value is 30%, right? So let's say, so 50 plus 30 is 80. So out of these two, this belongs to the 75%, and this also covers the 80%. And we will see why, right? Why this also comes under B. So this product is classified as B, and these two products are classified as B. So we'll see why. So our threshold is 50%. So I will say this is the total volume, right? So 50% of the total volume. So this is 2120. And then 30% is my next threshold. So 30% of the total volume is this. And then 20% is this. So my A group will belong to contribute to this 50% of the total volume. So let's see what these two products constitute. So these two products constitutes 2310, which is slightly higher than this. So that's why they belong to the A category. Now, the 1272 threshold is for B categories. So we will see that 875, this product is less than 1272. So there is some more room. So the sum is 1505. So it is covering this 1272 threshold. So that's why these two products are classified under B. And then this is 848, which is like 425 is less than 848. So this identified as the C product. So that's how we demonstrated that we can, use the product group. So to use the grouping or any other attribute by which we want to do the classification. To verify this, we can also see the application job logs. So we go to this job that we have seen, and we can confirm our understanding. So in this log, let's see how it is generating the log to show us how it did a classification. So it says that the threshold for A is 50%, for B it is 30, and then C is 20%. So what we see over here is for this group L1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is the one that we ran for. So the threshold for segment A is 2120, right? So we see that the 50% of the total volume is A is 2120. And then for B, it is 3392. So B is like 30% of the total volume. So if we sum this up, it is 3392. So anything above 2120 and till 3392 qualifies for B. And then the calculated threshold for C is 4240, which is the total volume, right? So these three constitutes of 4240. So anything above 3392 and less than 4240 is classified as C. So that's why it is saying in the logs that there is one element in the master data which is identified as C, and there are two elements which is identified as B, and which is there are two elements in the master data which is identified as A segment. So that's how we can verify how it is generating the classification. So hope you have got some good insights into how ABC classification is done by grouping through some different attributes within the master data. Thank you.